welcome back. GMC has kept the recruitment process on hold till the new government takes any decision on the issue. According to the earlier notice, the process was supposed to continue after the end of Code of Conduct. Now the General Administration Department has asked all the departments to keep the recruitment process on hold. Around 100 candidates had to return from the GMC without interview on Monday following this new government orders.
It seems the wait for a government job for candidates in GMC could be longer. According to this notice displayed in January by the then Congress-led government, candidates who were given letters of appointment, interviews, written tests and acceptance through the letter of appointment were told to come after March 10, 2012. But now with the change in government, the entire process has been kept on hold. On Monday morning, candidates who came to GMC found this new notice. Dean of GMC Dr. V.N. Jindal, while refusing to comment on camera, said that no time frame has been fixed by the government on resuming the recruitment process.
Governmentan आमकां after 10 March after Code of Conduct offers accept करतले अशें म्हणून नोटीस मारलेली. आयज आमी येयला एक आमकां वेगळ्या पद्धतीची नोटीस दिसता की जो पर्यंत गव्हर्मेंट हातून इन्वॉल्व जावन डिसिजन घेयना तो पर्यंत आमी गव्हर्मेंट खंय डिसिजन घेवचो ना अशें म्हणून नोटीस मारला. सो आमी न्यू गव्हर्मेंट आमचो परिकर भाई सर जो आसा तेंच्या कडसून एक्सपेक्ट करता की आमकां आमचो जो होप आसा आनी आमकां जो एक्सेप्टन्स बेगिनांतल्या बेगीन मेळटले आनी तेज्या खातीर ते वावरतले. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच आनी तुमी आमच्या फेवरान डिसिजन घेतले अशें आमी एक्सपेक्ट करता.
GMC had announced vacancies for 350 posts during the Congress-led government's regime. But now with the BJP in power, it's unlikely that the government will go ahead with the recruitment process initiated by the Congress-led government.
Where there is no apparent manipulation, that will be cleared. But where there is apparent manipulation or where procedure is not followed, like for example, we find that in election more than some 500, 1000 applications have been distributed in Walpai and some areas. So I am investigating that. Let departments tell us. The department themselves have initiated the action. I have told them that you stop everything. Let department work out what is the exact position and let personnel department come up with a very clear solution on it.
A reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Former Veri MLA Philip Neri Rodriguez has complained of an assault on his supporters. He says some of the activists who participated in Victory Rally in Veri damaged the cars and assaulted his supporters. Rodriguez has demanded thorough investigation into the matter.
Former Veri MLA Philip Neri Rodriguez has alleged that some political activists from an election victory rally barged into his compound and damaged the vehicles parked outside his house. He also claims that some of his supporters were assaulted.
A section of gundas for which they have attacked me during my election campaign. The same gang has barged in my house and they were trying to attack the one who is, I am sorry to see, my neighbors were attacked, my supporters' vehicles were damaged.
He has demanded thorough investigation or else has threatened to agitate.
And I strongly demand the police officers to take immediate action. I will not tolerate. Otherwise, we will come on the road to see that, to tell people that this is really a violence in my constituency, which will not stop unless we come on the road.
One of the supporters of Rodriguez and the General Secretary of GPCC, Joe Dias, claims that he and his wife were assaulted by the activists from the Victory Rally.
Only these 3 vehicles, 2 desert bikes, त्यो घेवन कोणाकय तोंडा बांदून गायला येतालो आनी आय वॉज एट माय हावस. हांव तेंच्या फाटल्यान चोंगोन येयलो. येयल्यार तेणी पयलीं एक मोटरसायकलीन मुकून उडयली. देन आय सॉ दे वर फायटींग विथ माय वायफ. आय हॅव सीन तो मोबायल स्क्रॅच करता आसतना आनी तेन्ना पासून हांव तो कोण दवरकलो ना कित्याक तो तोंडा कवर करून आहलो. मागीर तोंड उगडरी कळ्ळें की इट वॉज शाब्यो म्हूण. हांव काडलो ते नाक बायले काडली भितूर हाडली आनी हांव फिरपायले ऑफिसा भायल्यान हाडलो. ही केम इनसायड premises of Philip and slapped me.
A reporter from Veri, Savio Dias and Samir Bhatt.
Digambar Kamath has admitted that he too is responsible for the defeat of the Congress party. He admitted that party failed to project government schemes during the poll campaign. Kamath and party president Subhash Shirodkar faced media on Monday.
आमची अपेक्षा आशिल्ली की आमकां प्रजा बरें यश दितली, पूण जेन्ना रिजल्ट जालो, प्रजेचो कौल आयलो, तो काँग्रेसच्या विरोधांत आयलो. तो कौल आमी मान्य करतात लोकशाही प्रथे प्रमाणे, आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक आमी शुभेच्छा दितात. आमची अपेक्षा आसा की फुडले 6 म्हयने काँग्रेस पार्टी तांचे परफॉर्मन्स पळयतली. आमी विरोधांत बसून कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह अपोजिशनाचो रोल प्ले करतले.
GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar says the party will constitute a committee to analyze the reasons and factors behind downfall. The party would soon revamp the state cadre.
I will put it forth not to consider more tickets in a family. 1-2 ठिकाणी आमचे मिसकॅल्क्युलेशन झाले, 2-3 ठिकाणी. प्रवीण जांटिये, नंतर आमचो नरेश सावरकर. Anyway, all these issues will come in the introspection, of course.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
State is still in mood of celebration. Party workers are holding victory rallies to congratulate their elected representatives. Have a look.
Reporter from Moscow, Surendra Madkekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.